Well, after almost a year, arrived in Johannesburg with David. Interesting. I believe it's going to be raining today, and the wonders of British Airways, they've lost our bags. So arriving with absolutely no bags and no nothing. I have got a couple of spare clothes in my carry-on. Unfortunately, David's only got his pyjamas. So he'll be coming to work in a pair of pyjamas tomorrow. Harry Potter ones. The Harry Potter ones. Johannesburg, we're here. Look at the weather. It's not even raining. We've landed in the Sunsynk office. We've landed. We've moved. We've finally made the move. We are here. We're doing training. We're doing everything. Look at it. It's beautiful. And look at the weather. What an absolutely amazing day. Come on, let's go and have a look inside. We'll have a look. Let's go see what it's all about. This is it. This is the new Sunsynk office. Wow. This is the reception. So welcome to Sunsynk South Africa. So it's beautiful. It's beautiful. We're going to take a look around. So I've got to go and find Mr. Drake. He is the ops director. So let's go and see if I can find David. Last time I did one of these videos, everybody had disappeared. They all went on a tea break. So I'm going to go and see who can find him. So, Mr. Drake, David.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Great to see you.
Very good.
So this is,
Welcome.
Thank you for welcome to Sunsynk's Johannesburg. It's our brand new office.
Yeah.
So we've got the service centre here and the training centre and everything else.
Yes.
So can you show us a little bit about show us where it is? Let's have a look.
Sure. Follow me. I'll take you around this side. We've got a mezzanine on top of a 2,500 square metre facility. Quite an upgrade from the original facility, which was just over 1,000 squares,
Wow.
which has allowed us to do a tremendous amount of upgrades and just further improvements on the facility and basically on our service offering itself. So we'll take a walk downstairs. Let me show you some of the repair benches and just some of the improvements that we've been able to make on the facility itself.
I'll follow you. I've got the microphone.
That's a big place. I think before we look at the service offering, just behind you here, and I think of one of the things that differentiates Sunsynk a lot from our competitors is that we're able to do in-country R&D. So we get a product in, we understand immediately if there's problems with the product. We can work on those. We've got direct lines of communication back to the factory. And having that in-country R&D, I think, is a tremendous resource for us.
Good.
So we've got spaces like this that's created specifically to test aspects of the machine. We've got new product that comes into the country. Those things get tested here real time.
So I've always considered ourselves as a British South African company. So I've always considered ourselves, South Africa and the UK is the major part of our business. I've always considered it that. So here we have the service desks. So
this is high voltage. Just don't get too close. So what we've got 2 high voltage stations. Everything high voltage, so 50 kilowatts and up, gets tested, thoroughly tested and repaired in this area over here. We've got multiple battery stacks against the wall, not just Sunsynk, but we've got a Freedom 1 stack as well, which allows us to also test various BMS configurations and also different battery types. We get a lot of times inverters come in where there's a communication problem. So we're not just testing with our own stack and our own protocols, but we're able to test with other manufacturers' protocols as well.
So
This is low voltage. So what we've done is we have 10 workstations, which allow us to do complete low voltage repairs.
yeah.
Every workbench is single phase and 3-phase capable. So anything from a 5 kilowatt inverter through to a 16 kilowatt single phase, 12 kilowatt 3-phase inverter can be repaired on these workstations. We've got our own proprietary software here, which is used to track the RMAs and the entire repair process of the inverter itself.
So I noticed is examining the load and the power, what the inverter's been subject to.
Yep, correct.
So
So we do a thorough assessment of the inverter.
Doing an amazing job. Everybody else just seems to have disappeared once I'm here with the camera.
Yeah, I don't like it.
No, I won't film any. Okay, because not everybody. Some people are very good with the camera. Some people don't like it. So I get it. So the other part is the goods in. Anything coming in is the goods in, and then this is the service side where we're doing repairs or servicing or checking products is all done through here.
Yes.
So how many engineers do we have here?
So we've got 10 in total. So we've got 8 guys on the low voltage, and we've got 2 guys on the high voltage. That's just physical engineers working on machines. We then have a further 3 people on the telephones offering high level support. If you've got a really detailed, really difficult problem, the guys are capable of handling that as well. So every aspect of support is handled here in conjunction with our call center in Tenerife, the UK, and then the in-app support in India as well. So it's a complete support ecosystem, where we can basically tick every box that's required.
It's fantastic. It shows one thing: we are here, we are committed, and we are totally committed to South Africa. We're not going anywhere as a business.
Not absolutely. It's just looking from where we've come from. 4.5, 5 years ago, we started this with 4 people here.
Yeah.
We're now up to staff complement of 23.
Yeah.
From a small place that was 500 square meters, which is our very first facility, to 2,500 square meters. It's got to show our commitment to this.
Yeah.
And it's as you say, we're not going anywhere.
Well, thank you, David. Thank you.
So much.
Well done. Well done. Thank you.
It's very good.
So let's go and have a look. Let's go and have a look around the rest of the place. Let's go and have a look around the rest. So let's have a little mooch around. So come on. So is anybody in here? Ah, Dino. This is Dino. You on the phone?
No.
Oh, okay. So wow, Dino, we're filming YouTube.
Okay.
So tell us a little bit about what you do.
I'm in third line technical support. I'm assisting installers who are struggling with settings or installation related problems.
This guy is brilliant. He's really, really good. He's you've been here. You've been with us a long time.
Yes, yeah, I've been here for 4 or 5 years now.
And there's probably not much that you don't know about inverters.
I'm learning and growing.
Well done. Well done. So this is the training centre. Look at this. It's our school. It's our training school. All the desks and the projector and the podium in the other end. So it's somewhere. I'm actually doing a training session a little bit later. So there's guys coming in to do a training training session. So hope they got the kettle on, some coffee. Right. Yeah. Hello. Thank you. So tell me. Okay. This is your.
I'm Tabang.
So what do you do?
Essentially what I do is I'm into logistics. I collect couriers with our inverters in and around South Africa, from the coast, anywhere, Durban, Cape Town, literally everywhere, to be brought up here for repairs. And as soon as we're done with them, I return them to the customers happily.
Brilliant. Well done.
100%.
Well done.
Sir.
And
Our ladies just...
she's on a call. Okay, I won't bother you then. You got away with it. Some people say, let's go and have a look who else is around. Everyone hates me doing videos. And this is telling all about what we do here. What do you do?
I do warranties, approved installers, plus fresh desk tickets and anything else, spares, replacements.
Everything.
Yeah.
Doing a great job. So this is my first time around the new offices. It's brilliant. So I'm just trying to share with everybody what we're doing about here and what's going on here, and going around some of the other sites, and that's it. But it's great. I came here last week, and the weather was terrible. In fact, when we arrived, our cases didn't arrive with us, and David, who's actually filming it, all he had with him was his Harry Potter pyjamas. And I was waiting for him to come to the office in a very Harry Potter pyjamas. I am joking. Let's go and see if we can find Neil. And we have got a training session a little bit later today. It's the boardroom. Nobody here. We actually had a meeting, so when I come in earlier on, we had a bit of a meeting, so I've been doing this video. This was David's office. Let me find Neil. Ah, Neil! Neil, hi, how are you? Yeah, hi.
Good.
So Neil is the director. The official title is
And managing director.
Managing Director of Sunsynk South Africa.
Good.
So tell me a little bit about what you do each day.
Yeah, so we've, I think Keith has shown you most of our new building. We're super excited. Moved in from 3 separate little small units into this nice big unit that we've got now. And really with the aim of focusing on an improved offering to our installers and all our customers. So improved service levels, improved customer entertainment, training sessions. So just a general better experience for all our customers.
So we've got the sales guys are here.
I think our new CNI sales guys. Yeah.
So let's go and introduce them.
Let's go and introduce them. Yeah. And Bertus is just Bertus.
Pleased to meet you.
So Bertus has just recently joined us as of the 1st of March. So he is here, and his main focus will be on the CNI portfolio, the LK portfolio.
So what do you think of it so far? You've only been here a week.
Yeah, I've only been here a week, but we've got some good feedback from our distributors as well as some installers. So I'm excited for the first units to land here in South Africa.
We're going to do something amazing with the CNI, with the LK range. We've got this LK range here. And do you know what LK stands for? Yes, with a K. Yeah. So who else have we got here?
I think our marketing manager's here. Our installer sales representative is out on the road, so he's on the road. So if we go in next door, I hope he's here. So yeah, this is Drickus. He's our marketing manager. Recently moved into the role. Used to be one of our sales guys on the road, and yeah, he's taken control of our marketing side here in South Africa.
So yeah, wow. So tell us a little bit about what you're doing today and how you're finding everything.
Yes, so we're actually quite busy now. We're planning the Solar and Storage Live Africa that's going to be in Gallagher in Johannesburg. So it's in about 2 weeks' time, and then also working on the Sunsynk Rewards, which is going to launch at the same show.
So the rewards, I know a little bit about it, but I've been told to keep my mouth completely quiet and I can't announce it. I really want to announce it. It's something amazing. It's really superb, but I've been told I can't talk about it. So I'll let you're the guys go talk about it, and make sure you're at the show, make sure you follow, because we also got hopefully we've got the new LK range there.
So at the show we'll launch the official LK. We're going to launch the loyalty program, as he says. We're going to launch our string inverters at the show. So yeah, quite a lot of action happening at this year's solar storage. Yeah.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Neil.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's really, really nice. So we obviously the boardroom. I know there's somebody else here that doesn't want me to video or announce. And hi, Kieran.
Hi.
I've known this lady a long time. I'm not going to say how long, but it's quite a few years.
Oh yeah, a lot of years.
So Kieran, what do you do here?
Mostly the supply chain in and out, and anything else I'm told to do. That's what I do, but a lot of the shipping and dealing with the customers, things like that.
Brilliant. So I normally, at least last time I did a video like this, I did it in Tenerife, and everybody disappeared. They knew I was going to film, and they all decided to have a tea break for about 2 hours. So listen, thanks for following. There's a lot here. We are totally supporting South Africa. We are here for the long term. We have got some amazing products. And I tell you honestly, our products are the best in its class. Really is good. Wait till you see what we've got coming though. We have got some disruptions. We're going to change the lay of the land. We have got something big happening. Absolutely massive happening. We have a couple of products that we're going to launch, and it's going to completely change everything. It will change, it will focus, it is something different, and just keep following us because I will release it very, very soon. So I've got David standing behind me filming. He's our new CTO. Say hello, David.
Hello.
I tell you what, so tell us a little bit about what you're up to, David.
Yep. Well, thank you, Keith. Yep, David, new CTO here at Sunsynk. I'm in sunny South Africa. The weather's been amazing. We're working on some fantastic new projects, as Keith alluded to. The LK range, which is looking absolutely fantastic. We've been with customers today who absolutely can't wait to get their hands on the new products that we're developing, and also the new stackable range. Won't give too much away, but as Keith said, we've got some great products coming along.
That's it. That's a sneak preview of the Sunsynk head office in South Africa. We're in Johannesburg. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's mainly for an internal video rather than an external video, but please keep following. As I said, we are going to be some disruptors. So thank you for following the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And guess what? It ain't raining today!